We're standing in Surprise, Arizona. I'm Lisa Noldan, your local realtor. I wanted to show you the Prasada community. It's built by Fulton Homes, and we're having a huge community built here, guys. So we have 4 different types of communities here, and I'm gonna show you the Sierra Nevada collection. But before I show you the walkthrough, I wanted to just, talk a little bit about the community. So we're gonna have a huge aquatic center with a big pool, splash center, awesome things for the kiddos. And we're also gonna have 2 different parks. But the best thing about this is location, location, location. The biggest shopping center is being built behind us. So we have the biggest Target, we're gonna have American Furniture Warehouse, we have every single type of food place you can imagine. It's just amazing outdoor shopping center, okay? So with all those things, let's now take a look through the model home. Today we are in Fulton Homes in Surprise, Arizona. We are in their Prasada new community. We're in the Palisade in the Sierra Nevada collection. I'm gonna take you through today. So we have their first bedroom down here, so cute, located in the front of the home. And then over this way, we're gonna have a full bath. We're gonna have your laundry room located in the front, super spacious. And if you follow me this way, you're gonna see we have an open den. You could convert to a 4th bedroom if you build from the ground up. And we're gonna have their chef's kitchen, which is standard with Fulton Homes. So you can see they have all the upgraded appliances when it comes to the refrigerator and all. Over here, you're gonna have a giant walk-in pantry. And we're gonna have 2 more bedrooms to check out this way. So we have an additional guest bedroom here. We're gonna have a full bathroom here. And we're gonna have the master located this way. Beautiful master here with a giant walk-in closet. And we're also gonna have their upgraded bathroom. So we have the giant walk-in shower, and we have additional closet here in your toilet area there. Then we're gonna come back out this way. We have a cute coffee bar here. We have your sitting area and your giant open floor plan, dining behind you. And we're gonna have your big atrium door. So we step through the atrium doors, we'll have their spacious backyard. Now, if you build with them, the backyard is not completed, you can make it your own. However, they do take care of the front yard landscaping. You don't have to pay for water or anything in the front. I hope you enjoyed that walkthrough of the beautiful Fulton model. I wanted to note on a few things before we end the video. So I know a lot of people want to know why a new build and why should I have representation outside of a new build. So let's touch on that. New builds are amazing right now. With interest rates not at the best place, they have great incentives, they have buy downs, things that just a normal resale can't really match. When it comes to having me represent you as a buyer's agent, remember, they have agents here at Fulton, but they represent Fulton. I would be representing you, going to bat to negotiate the best deal, best incentives, everything we can for you. So if new builds kind of pique your interest or you're looking for a home, make sure to reach out to me. We're running a special promotion when it comes to this video here for Fulton. So reach out to me today and let's chat. With all that being said, make sure to look down below. All my information that you can reach me at is listed below here. So go ahead and reach out to me today.